Let's go ahead and get a project set up with WebDriver. So in order to do that, we're just going to go ahead and create a new project here. So I'll just create a new project, and I'm just going to put this in a temporary folder here. And we're going to call this project WebDriver Demo. And it's just a console application. Now, all we need to do to get the basic WebDriver working is to go to our project here, and we are just going to do manage NuGet packages. And then we're going to search for Selenium. And you'll see that probably the first hit will be Selenium WebDriver. And that's all we need for now. So we're just going to click install here. And you'll notice it installs a few dependencies that it has. And now we have Selenium and its dependencies. So now we basically are set up to run a WebDriver test. And we're going to start off just by testing this out just to make sure we've got this working by creating a test that's going to run with Firefox. Now, Firefox is a little unique as it's the only driver that we don't have to install a separate executable for a server. It actually runs directly from here. We don't have to actually have another install. So let's go ahead and start with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this iWebDriver interface. And this you can find under the QA, OpenQA namespace under Selenium. So now that we've imported that namespace, we have access to this, and we'll call this driver, and we're going to do a new Firefox driver. And we need to import a namespace for this also, so we're going to do openqa.selenium.firefox. So now we have our driver, and we're just going to simply do driver.url, and we're going to set this equal to google.com. And what this should do at this point is it should open up our browser and go to google.com. So let's go ahead and run this. And if you have Firefox installed, you will see that it will go to google.com. So that's the basic setup. That's all you need to do to get the basic WebDriver installed. But now let's take a look at using some other browsers besides Firefox.